Are your energy bills skyrocketing? Feeling those cold drafts in winter and struggling to keep cool in summer? Your windows and doors might be costing you more than you think. Here's what Long Island homeowners need to know about the value of new replacement windows and doors. 1. On average, a 70 to 80% return on investment when you sell your home. 2. Up to 30% reduction in energy bills. 3. Enhanced home security. 4. Improved curb appeal. With Long Island's harsh winters and humid summers, quality windows are an investment in your home's future. At Unified Home Remodeling, we've helped thousands of Long Island homeowners with energy-efficient double and triple-pane windows, weather-resistant doors with advanced security features, professional installation by certified experts, and products specifically chosen for Long Island's climate. Don't wait until another winter hits or your AC bills spike again. Now is the perfect time to beat the rush of seasonal demand and start saving on energy bills immediately. With 35 years of serving Long Island and New York, Unified Home Remodeling is your trusted local expert, offering free consultations, competitive pricing, professional installation, and lifetime warranties. Ready to transform your home? Call Unified Home Remodeling today at 888-631-2131 or visit our website at unifiedhomeremodeling.com. Unified Home Remodeling, transforming Long Island homes, one window and door at a time.